I'm Rituja. In this video, we'll see routing a router on stick. So it's one of the methods of InterVLAN routing. So let's take one router now to 811, one switch, 2960, and PCs. So let's take two PCs to create two VLANs. Now let's do the connections. We'll take copper straight through, console select so that you do not need to select it multiple times. So let's create VLANs now. So let's go to command line interface of switch, enable, to enter privileged mode, config terminal. Now what we'll do is we'll create VLANs. You can directly create VLANs while assigning them to ports, but let's create VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So to see these if these VLANs are made or not, you can check it by going to privileged mode and writing the command show VLAN brief. So let's do it. So you can see here VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 are made. So let's config terminal again. Now let's assign ports to these VLANs. So interface FA0/1. Let's assign switch port, access VLAN 10. So it will be assigned to VLAN 10. Now let's assign FA0/2 to switch port mode access VLAN 20. So VLAN 20 will be assigned to port FA0/2. Now we'll have to make the interface between router and switch as trunk, but before that we'll have to create sub interfaces in router for the separate VLANs. So we have two VLANs, so we will create two interfaces. So let's go to enable. So let's go to privileged mode, enable config terminal. Now interface FA0/0. So you can see the interface between router and switch is FA0/0. Now let's go to sub interface. So you can assign go to sub interface by FA0/0.10 as indicating the VLAN. So you'll be in the sub interface, you can see here. So let's write the command as encapsulation .1q and then the VLAN number. So VLAN 10. Now let's give the IP address. So let's give as 192.168. Here you will give the default IP address which you'll assign in PC as well. So give it like 192.168.1.1 and give the subnet mask as well. So 255.255.255.0. Now again no shutdown. Now let's go to sub interface .20. So encapsulation .20 and then IP address again. So just change the network. So .2.1 will be the default gateway for PC1. So let's do it. No shutdown again. And then come in interface FA0/0 and then give the final command as no shutdown so that it will get activated. So you can see all are up. Now we'll do this interface as mode trunk. Interface FA0/3 and switch port mode would be trunk. So let's do it. Now what the thing remained is we'll assign the IP addresses to the PCs. So let's go to IP addressing. So this is from VLAN 10. So let's give the IP address as 192.168 .1.2 because 1.1 is our default gateway. So we'll assign default gateway as well. So 192.168.1.1. Let's do the similar thing for PC1. So 192. Okay, sorry. 168.2.1. 192.168.2.2, because 2.1 is already assigned to default gateway. So 192.168.2.1. So this is done. So let's see if it's working. So let's send packet from PC0 to PC1. So let's try it one more time. The sending packet is similar to sending ping message. So you can see here, successful. It takes sometimes time to get the necessary things done. So just don't stop on the first packet. Send one more. You can see here it's working now. So this was about router on stick. Thank you.